ocean as my guide. Top down riding, let the West Coast vibes collide. Corner store stops, grab a drink, it's all good. Cruising through the streets of my neighborhood. Hey yo! West Coast weather, the sun sets slow.
Say what?
Chilling with the homies, let that talk box glow. Barbecues and palm trees, vibe real tight. Retro beats bumping beneath the moon tonight. Cali breeze blowing, let the funk take the floor. Some so smooth, leave them shouting for more. Beach chair chilling, toes dug in the sand. With that bass line grooving, life feels so grand. Ayo, West Coast, where the sun sets gold. Cruising past the waves, feel that rhythm unfold. Beach fronts to backyard, parties in sight. Under neon skies that light up the night.
Yo, hit the boulevard, hit a tire screech. Soundtrack of the streets, with that funkin' reach. Got my shades on, keeping it classy, not fast. Rolling like a 79, we're built to outlast.
Hey yo, West Coast, let's groove till we drop. Souls keep singing, let the bass drop. BBQs to moonlit tides, we shine bright on this retro ride that defines our life. Ooh yeah. On the corner where the shadows creep, whispers of the city, secrets they keep. Underneath the street lamp, steady burn. Life's a game of dice, wait in your turn. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air, dreams take flight, but beware, beware. Graffiti tells tales on the subway line. Lost souls searching, trying to redefine. Echoes of struggle in alleys tight, fighting for a moment under neon light. Corners hum with a jazzy groove. Time stands still, it's hard to move. The rhythm of life, fast and slow. Navigate the maze, let the story flow. Truth raw and unrefined. Every line's a pulse from a vivid mind. Urban poets in the court of kings, street symphonies when the corner sings. City lights shine, but they never show